Hello everyone, in today's video we have this interesting problem. X over 6 is equal to x and we have to find the value of x. These are the options that we have to select the correct answer to the problem. But before we begin, if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. First of all, let's transpose this x. So we're gonna have x divided by 6 minus x is equal to 0. So we have x divided by 6 minus x. Now let's multiply this x by 1. By the 1, we're going to write it as 6 divided by 6. The reason is that we want to make the denominators the same so that we can easily combine the numerators. Then on the numerator side, we have x minus x times 6, which is negative 6x. So on the numerator side, we're going to get negative 5x, and this is equal to 0. Then from here, we will multiply each side of the equation again by 6. So that this and this will go. On the left-hand side, we have negative 5x. And on the right, we are left with 0. 0 times 6 is 0. Now to get x, let's go ahead and then divide through by negative 5. And we see that this negative 5 cancel this. Now we are left with x is equal to 0 divided by any number is 0 except itself, right? So we have 0 here, right? So the final answer to the problem is x is equal to 0, which happens to be option C. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.